All right, so real quick, let's add some descriptions to your products. So let's just go to products, and I want to at least make these look somewhat nice. We'll just click into the product here, and right here is where you can add the description. This is just the default description, not very nice. So let's just delete this and type something that looks really nice. So guys, I just wrote something simple, but to save on time, you can use that size app and actually just go back to the original listing on AliExpress and go to specifications. And if there's anything that is important to note about this bikini, for example, the materials and maybe the function, something like that, you can write it in that size chart. That way you don't have to write it for every single bikini. So we can go back to the size chart here, and I'll probably put it above the size chart this time, and I'll do maybe I'll just do something like material function, something like that, copy. So maybe we'll just add something like that and hit add to size chart. We'll see how it looks. Reload the page here. There. So now it just says the material and the function and everything. I just really wrote something simple here in the description. You obviously want to write more. You want to try and really sell this. Maybe a good thing to do is to look at other places that are doing well selling bikinis, like other Shopify stores. You could just Google cheetah print bikini and just click on a few of the websites that come up and see how they're describing their bikinis and maybe get an idea of how to describe it. So something else I like to do in the description is you can actually add an image. And if you click here, it says insert image, and you can actually choose one of the product images to add to your description. And it's good because if you're on a mobile device, you just see the image on top and then it's just description. It's better to see image, maybe description, image, few more images or something. Really get them to visualize this thing. We don't have any more images for this particular product, but if you can find some online, it's really good to add some more images into the description. Just as an example, I will click this and we'll keep it large. You can change the size and stuff. And that's the image. We'll add some space here, hit save. And if we preview this, we can see that now ideally this would be a different image, but now it's in the description. Now this is important because most people are going to be on their mobile device and this is going to look a lot better on mobile. So to preview this in mobile, if you're on Chrome, you could just hit F12 and it'll open up this little section here. But right here at the very top, there's a button that toggles which device you're looking at it on. So if you click, it goes from website to mobile device. So this is what it's going to look like on mobile device. And so you'll see that we have the image, they select the size and all that. Here's the other image, description, all that stuff, and then recommended products. And then you could click on this to exit again and just hit F12 again to get rid of it. So another thing you want to do, they have these color selections, but they're all the same thing. So you can actually hit more options here under variants and hit edit options. And this one, since there's only one option, it gives you the option to delete it. And we're going to go ahead and do that. You're going to want to do this on all your products because you don't want them to have to select a color when there's only one choice. So just delete that, hit done, hit save. And now when you go to this preview again, you'll see that there's only one selection box, small, medium, and large. And if you wanted to, you can actually rename this size from small, medium, and large. Right in here in the variants, just type in whatever you want. Maybe it's a good idea to write the actual measurements of the sizes. So we have the size chart here, but it might be easier if, see, here's the actual size of the bikini. We can copy and paste it right into here. And then once you're done with that, you can hit save. And maybe that makes it a little bit easier for your customers. There's all kinds of things you could do with this Shopify. So now you can see the sizes here, a lot easier for the customer to select. They know exactly the measurements of the size. They can also see the size chart down here. They could read your really nice description, much better than this one, hopefully. So that's your product page, guys. Let's go on to the next step.